AI is taking tech jobs, but these 5 still pay $120K plus. AI is shaking the global job market. In October 2025 alone, more than 153,000 Americans lost their jobs, the worst single month in over 2 decades. Across the year, companies announced 1.1 million job cuts, up 65% from 2024. And this time, the reason isn't a financial crash or pandemic, it's artificial intelligence. Automation is accelerating faster than expected. Chatbots now write code, summarize data, and generate reports in seconds. Major firms such as Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are reorganizing their teams around AI productivity, often letting go of roles that can be automated. At Amazon's offices in Washington state, more than 600 software engineers were laid off as part of a larger restructuring, even while the company increased investment in AI infrastructure. To many professionals, it feels like the machines are finally coming for the programmers. But here's the truth. AI isn't just removing jobs, it's reshaping them. Some roles are disappearing, yes, but others are growing even faster. A new class of high-value AI-powered positions is emerging, and they're paying more than ever before. Let's look at 5 data and AI careers that are not only safe but thriving in 2025, with salaries above $120,000 per year and global demand that keeps rising. Number 1. Data engineer. Data engineers are the backbone of every AI system. They design and maintain pipelines that move raw information from sensors, applications, and APIs into clean, structured databases ready for analysis. No chatbot, no model, no dashboard can run without them. In 2025, the US employs over 150,000 data engineers and added more than 20,000 new jobs in the last 12 months alone. Core tools include Python, SQL, Spark, and AWS. Average salary, $110K to $150K, with senior specialists earning up to $170K at major cloud or fintech companies. This role is growing because every enterprise is racing to make its data AI ready. Number 2, machine learning engineer. If data engineers build the pipes, machine learning engineers build the brain. They design, train, and deploy algorithms that detect fraud, personalize ads, recognize images, and even predict diseases. Their work blends programming with advanced math and experimentation. According to US surveys, the average ML engineer earns about $168K in 2025, and top earners at AI-first firms exceed $200K. LinkedIn reports that postings for this role have risen 38% year over year. And as companies rush to embed AI across products, they need more humans who understand how models behave, when they fail, and how to fix them. In short, AI may generate code, but it still can't debug its own ethics. Number 3, analytics engineer. A newer hybrid role that's taking over the modern data stack. Analytics engineers bridge the gap between data engineers who build systems and analysts who present insights. They use tools like dbt, Snowflake, and BigQuery to transform raw data into reliable, documented models everyone can trust. This is perfect for professionals who understand both SQL and business context. Job postings for analytics engineers have jumped 40% since 2023, with average salaries around $120K and senior pay up to $140K. The reason is simple. Automation can visualize numbers, but only humans decide which numbers matter. Number 4, AI product manager. Artificial intelligence doesn't run itself, it needs leadership. AI product managers connect data science, engineering, design, and business strategy. They decide how AI should be used, what problems it should solve, and how to deploy it responsibly. Unlike traditional PMs, they must understand model metrics, prompt tuning, and bias mitigation. In 2025, average compensation for AI product managers ranges from $130K to $170K, with directors surpassing 200K. Demand is surging in finance, healthcare, logistics, and SaaS, any sector adopting AI at scale. They're not just managing software anymore, they're managing intelligence. Number 5. Prompt engineer. The newest role on the list, and maybe the most fascinating. Prompt engineers craft the exact instructions that teach large language models how to respond. They're half coder, half communicator, capable of turning vague ideas into structured reasoning for AI systems like GPT or Claude. This job barely existed 2 years ago. Yet in 2025, there are already over 15,000 prompt-related openings worldwide, a 5-fold increase from 2024. Entry-level pay starts near $100,000, while experienced specialists now command $130,000, $170,000. So what do these 5 jobs have in common? They don't compete with AI, they build, guide, or leverage it. The key difference between roles that vanish and roles that grow is automation leverage. Subscribe for more videos on data careers, AI jobs, and 6-figure programming paths that will keep you ahead of the AI curve.